Mopar Den here. Quick video here with a bit of a tip when doing some AC service. Recently I showed you the replacement air conditioning compressor with clutch that's going in to the 72 Coronet here. And when doing that service, typically a compressor will fail because of contaminants that get into the system and such. One recommended thing to do when replacing the compressor is to get yourself a new evap valve. This is for the front. And get yourself a new accumulator dryer in the system as well. And once you have those disconnected, make sure you clean out the lines of your AC system. All right, so that's today's tip. This service will be getting done relatively soon, now that we have all the components to do the service. This is Mopar Den saying take care, and if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Trying to get to the No Name Nationals with 500 subscriptions. Thanks, and take care.